AtomStack P1 unboxing. What's included and how to use it. These are the power adapter and power cord. Connect them together, then plug it into the input port on the machine. This is the USB lock. No USB key, no operation. Make sure it's plugged in. This is the USB flash drive. We recommend keeping it plugged into the machine at all times. Once everything is connected, press the switch to power on the machine. When the status light turns green and you hear a beep, the machine is ready to work. This is a data cable. One end has a Type-C connector that goes into the machine. The other end connects to your computer. These are magnet blocks. When working with lightweight materials, use the magnet blocks to keep them in place. Common setup tips. After unboxing, the laser module may sit near the limit switch in the upper right corner. To avoid accidental trigger, manually move it to the center of the work area. When focusing, the screw might hit the rail and prevent movement. In that case, adjust the screw as shown in the video to reposition the laser module.